Hello, today in this video we're going to be making an origami bird. It's very easy to make and my name is Benjie. Now let's get started. So this is the paper size that we need. It's a small square. So first we're going to take these two edges and fold them down. And when we open it up, flip it upside down and take this side and fold it up. And then we unfold it and we do this. And do it again one more time like this. Now we're going to take these two corners and fold them down here. So we're going to take this part and press it down. See? And you see this part here? I'm going to fold this over here. And we're going to unfold it and take the other. Do the same thing for the other side. Now that we're on this side, we're gonna open up this part and fold the folded part inside. And we'll put it down. Now we're going to take the other side and do the same thing. Okay. And then we take one of them then we take this side, hold it like this, and then you see this? We're gonna fold it there. Then you see these? We're gonna take them and fold them up. Now that we're done, I'm going to do this and take this part and we're going to do this and fold it down like that. And then we're going to take the edge and fold it down and fold it that way. And here we go. I have an origami bird. And then I colored mine. And now we're done. So now that we're finished, if you like this video, you can subscribe to my name. Here's how you spell my name. Benjie. Benjie. See you in the next video. Bye.